Okay, you can duplicate your project. Okay, open the duplicated object and open indexed, and you can zoom out the entire timeline, then make the timeline super easy. As FM plus delete. This is the shortcut to delete everything. Then you can search all the subtitles here, and Command A to select all. Then you can Command X to cut all the subtitles. Okay, then you select everything but the major storyline. Delete everything, and then you'll find the first subtitle 11 seconds and 16 frames. Then paste all the subtitles here. This is to make the project as simple as we can. Then choose this project and export an XML. For example, 2 on desktop. Then open XML2SRT, export SRT file. Okay, every single subtitles are here. This is the simple way to solve all kinds of problems or bugs. We will look into this project to see what's going on with XML2SRT. So, but it takes time. So you can try this.